Getting started with circle time. And we're taking a look, and you brought up a really good point of when is spring. So spring is the 21st. Oh, I don't have this thing here. I'll have to take a look. So today is the 18th. So spring is going to be on the 21st. So let's count to 21. You ready? We're at 18, 19, 20, 21. So Sunday is the first day of spring. So let's sing our days of the week song and figure out what today is. Oh, bless you. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn. Louder. Days of the week. 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 All right, and today is Thursday, March 18th, 2021. Tomorrow is Friday. All right, we said that it was going to be snowing today. Is it snowing? No, it is not snowing. It is rainy. It is rainy out there. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow?
Snowy.
You think it's going to snow?
No. Windy.
Windy and snowy? All right.
No.
We'll have to see. All right, we're all going to say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, let's count 15. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, count backwards from 5. Ready to launch that ship? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, let's take a look at some colors. What color are the elephants? Gray. What color is the school bus? Yellow. What color? Yellow. Let me hear you. What color? Yellow. What color is the fish? Orange. All right, looking at some shapes. What shape is pink? What shape is pink?
The heart.
What shape is gray?
The octagon.
Octagon. Wonderful. Our nursery rhyme this week is row, row, row your boat. Grab those oars with 2 hands. Are you ready? We're waiting for all of our friends to grab their oars, and we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Rock back and forth. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Ready? Grab those oars. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Let me see that crocodile. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Now we're going to talk about our letter. What letter are we making this week? T. What does T say? Bless you. We have Tiana, tomatoes, Teen Titans Go, and a turtle.
That's a ducky.
Yep. Now we're going to stand up and think about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters at the top? And we're reaching up. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go, going down. Top. No, it's the middle. All the way up. Top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. Reach down and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Reach down and touch the bottom. Here we go. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Go down. Go to the bottom. All right. Have a seat on our bottom. We're making the letter T. T is a center starter. So we grab our big line and put it under the star. Then we get our little line and put it at the top. That's right. What letter is that?
T.
T. And what does T say? Let's make it together. Fingers at the
Top.
and we say big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top. One more time, fingers at the
Top.
and you say down, frog jump,
Up.
little line across the top. And what letter is that? T. And what does T say? Excellent job, friends. All right. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time, and we will see you tomorrow.